Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate is extremely cheap, but a very powerful ingredient. This ingredient can be used to fight colds, and even cancer. You can also use it for oral hygiene, deodorants, etc. Many people around the world use baking soda. 11 ways to use baking soda for your health. 1. Natural deodorant. If you want to avoid the parabens and aluminum found in many deodorants and antiperspirants, try a pinch of baking soda mixed with water instead. This simple paste makes an effective and simple natural deodorant. You can also simply brush some dry baking soda under your arms. 2. Insect bites and poison ivy. Apply a paste made of baking soda and water to insect bites to help relieve itching. You can also try rubbing the dry powder onto your skin. This is also effective for itchy rashes and poison ivy. Baking soda helps to relieve minor skin irritation and itching by neutralizing toxins and irritants on your skin's surface. 3. Heartburn, indigestion, and ulcer pain. Most over-the-counter antacids contain some form of bicarbonate. Baking soda works by immediately neutralizing stomach acid, helping to relieve heartburn, indigestion, and even ulcer pain. I have personally recommended this to many, including family members, and have been surprised how remarkably effective it is. Dosing is typically 1/2 teaspoon fully dissolved in a half a glass of water, taken every 2 hours. Do not take more than 7 1/2 teaspoons in 24 hours, or 3 1/2 teaspoons if you're over 60. This should only be used as an occasional, not chronic, treatment, however, and be careful not to consume excessive amounts, which can cause serious electrolyte and acid-base imbalances. 4. Foot soak and exfoliator. Add 3 tablespoons of baking soda to a tub of warm water for an invigorating foot soak. You can scrub your feet with a baking soda paste for additional exfoliation. A paste made from 3 parts of baking soda combined with 1 part water can be used as an exfoliator for your face and body too. It's natural, inexpensive, and gentle enough to use every day. 5. Relaxing soak. Baking soda and apple cider make a wonderful spa-like bath for soaking. It also cleans the tub and the drain, as a bonus. 6. Hand cleanser. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part of water to make a natural hand cleanser that will scrub away dirt and neutralize odors. 7. Splinter removal. Add a tablespoon of baking soda to a small glass of water, then soak the affected area twice a day. Many splinters will come out on their own after a couple of days using this treatment. 8. Sunburn remedy. Add 1/2 cup of baking soda to lukewarm bath water, then soak in the tub for natural relief. When you get out, let your skin air dry, rather than toweling off the excess baking soda, for extra relief. You can also add a mixture of baking soda and water to a cool compress, and apply it to the sunburn directly. 9. Enhanced sports performance. Distance runners have long engaged in a practice known as soda doping, or taking baking soda capsules before races to enhance performance, a measure that's thought to work similarly to carbohydrate loading. It's also been shown to improve speed among swimmers. While I don't suggest you try this at home, it's another example of baking soda benefits. Researchers noted. 10. Tooth and gum paste. Baking soda has a mild abrasive action that helps to remove plaque and polish, clean, and deodorize your teeth. One review of data from 5 controlled clinical studies found that toothpaste containing baking soda enhanced plaque removal effectiveness of toothbrushing to a significantly greater extent than brushing with a non-baking soda toothpaste. Baking soda also has antibacterial activity and has been found to kill Streptococcus mutans bacteria, a significant contributor to tooth decay. For an incredibly effective tooth and gum paste, use a mixture of 6 parts of baking soda to 1 part of sea salt. Place them in a blender and mix for 30 seconds, then place in a container to use. Wet the tip of your index finger and place a small amount of the salt and soda mixture on your gums. Starting with the upper outside gums, and then the inside of the upper, followed by the lower outside of the gums, then the lower inside. Rub the mixture onto your teeth and gums. Spit out the excess. After 15 minutes, rinse your mouth. This mixture is incredibly effective at killing bacteria. 11. Teeth whitener. For a natural way to whiten your teeth, crush 1 ripe strawberry and mix it with 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Spread the mixture onto your teeth and leave on for 5 minutes. Then brush your teeth and rinse. This method should be used no more than once a week, as excessive use could potentially damage your tooth enamel.